Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner from the brand Persona. And I got this in my December 2021 Boxy Luxe box. And I have to say, I was not too impressed with that box, especially because it's so expensive now. And I got a black eyeliner. And I'm just not trying to get more black eyeliners in my beauty subscription boxes. I'm always giving my reviews and my survey feedback saying that I don't want eyeliner, especially black eyeliner. So I was kind of bummed to get yet another one. And if you have not seen that unboxing video yet of my Boxy Luxe box, that is up on my YouTube channel, so you can check out all of the products that I got in that box. This black eyeliner retails for $14, and I will say, I am intrigued to see if it really does last on the waterline. It says that it's ideal for both the lash line and the waterline, 24-hour waterproof, and I still have not found an eyeliner that actually does stick on the waterline. So this is making claims that it will. Let's put it to the test. So, cute packaging here, and it is the type of eyeliner that you have to sharpen, even though this is deceiving because at least the bottom of mine twists. So like you would think maybe it would twist up, but no, it's just a wooden pencil. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start with a little swatch on my hand here. Oh wow, this is very soft and creamy. So when you do go to sharpen it, you have to be very careful because it's so soft. It's definitely the type of tip that will break off very easily. I also have to be very careful as I'm applying this because it's very soft, but very pigmented. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Let's see if it sticks on that waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it in the waterline here. Oh, wow. It does stick right onto the waterline, which is impressive. A lot of eyeliners won't even get onto the waterline. And I am seriously trying to use the lightest touch. It's very pigmented, very full, dark black, which I just kind of like to change it up with maybe a brown eyeliner, a green. I don't really wear a dark black eyeliner anymore. That was definitely more of my middle school days. So far. Wow, so far that is sticking really nicely onto the waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other eye. And it got a little messy on my under eye, but that's okay because I want to actually try blending it. Wow, yeah, it is the most soft, like moldable pencil. There's like a mark in it where I used it to apply onto my eye. It almost seems too soft of an eyeliner, but I'm gonna go ahead and kind of blend it like it claims you can do. Yeah. You can blend it out, but it's not the easiest to blend. It's like a little sticky as I'm trying to blend it. This just looks so dramatic. It's so not the type of eyeliner that I wear. But I think I have found an eyeliner formula that will truly stick on the waterline because it is not budging on the waterline. I'm actually very impressed by that. That is very cool. I just didn't even think it was possible for an eyeliner to actually stick on my waterline, and I see now it is possible. So I'm very impressed with this eyeliner and the fact that they were able to do that. That's a very impressive formula. It's almost too easy to apply that I think it's easy to make a mess since it's so pigmented. You only need the lightest touch for it to show up with full dark black pigment. But wow, if that's what you want, then you can really achieve that with this eyeliner. If you want a black waterline, you can actually get it with this eyeliner, and that is impressive. So yay, this black eyeliner really did impress me. So I'm glad that I tried it out. If you've tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.